Ministry of Home Affairs Northeast Advisor A.K. Mishra has reportedly told representatives of Kuki-Zo armed groups under the suspension of Operation Sioux that current government policy does not support the creation of new union territories. This development came during the two-day round of talks between the Ministry of Home Affairs and representatives of Kuki National Organization KNO and United People's Front UPF, which was held on November 6 and 7 in New Delhi. In the press note that was issued by UPF and KNO today, it informed that the discussion on November 6 centered around the implementation of September 4th tripartite agreement between MHA, Government of Manipur and Sioux groups. On the second day, the talk revolved around the demand of separate administration in the form of a union territory for Kuki-Zo community, and MHA Northeast Advisor A.K. Mishra reportedly acknowledged the center's sensitivity to the plight of Kuki-Zo people, but stated that current government policy does not support the creation of new union territories. He further underlined the need for consultation with other communities in Manipur before any final resolution. Further, the KNO and UPF also urged the centre to expedite rehabilitation measures, ensuring security, housing and essential amenities for displaced travel families.